In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate SoFi Debit card. So it's actually quite simple. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up your SoFi app on your mobile device, and then you want to click on banking over here at the bottom. Once you tap on banking, you will see a few different options. In case you have a checking and a savings account, you simply have to basically press on the one which you have your card connected to. So for example, you can do checking if you have a checking card, or savings if you have a savings card. So click, for this instance, we're going to do checking. And then from here, you will see all your info, and at the bottom it says cards and then debit card. You want to tap on debit card over here. And then from here, there's now a button in the middle of your screen which says Activate Now. Simply tap on Activate Now. And here it will first ask you to enter your last 4 digits of your SSN, so the social security number, or ITIN. So just type those in there, find them and type those in there. And then once you do that, you'll have to enter in the expiration date on your debit card. So this is of course going to be the one that's displayed on your physical debit card you are holding in your hands or have somewhere else next to you. And then once you type that in as well, it will ask you to enter in the 3-digit code on the back of your debit card, which is a CVC or a CVV. So basically just add that in, and after you're done with that, you'll get the message which will say your card is now active, and then you'll be able to tap on done, and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.